Hey there, welcome back, students. So today I'm gonna explain you our eighth lesson, Deepa Karmakar, Reaching for the Stars. So, do you know who is the first Indian woman to take part in gymnastics at the Olympic Games? Yes, correct. Deepa Karmakar is the first Indian woman who took part in gymnastics at the Olympic Games. So, little Deepa loved to jump, she loved to climb trees, and she loved to run and play with her sister Pooja Didi. She used to live in Agartala, a small city in northeast India. So, Deepa's father had won many medals in weightlifting. So, later on, he began to train other weightlifters. By seeing, Deepa would often go along with him to the sports center where he trained them. At the age of 5, Deepa started learning a sport called gymnastics. Here, gymnastics is not an easy sport. The exercise and activities done indoors using the bars and ropes to increase the body's strength. Gymnasts have to make quick movements and twists and turns. They need to balance and do exercise on beams and uneven bars, as I explained you just now. So one wrong step can mean a bad fall, which can lead to a broken leg or an injured back. So first, Deepa was very scared to step on the bars. But soon, however, she forgot her fear and was cartwheeling and sailing through the air. So when Deepa was 9, she took part in the 2002 Northeastern Games and she won the medal, that is gold medal, and she was very happy. She continued to work very hard but soon found that the muscles in her feet needed to be stronger. They caused a problem in the way she ran and how she landed on her feet during jumps. But in spite of being hurted, she did not give up. She did special exercises to make her feet better. And with this, her father also helped her and supported her. She worked very hard in so many other ways. She did not have the right space to train or to practice on. But her coach, Bisheshwar Nandi, used parts of cars and other vehicles to make bars for her to practice on. So at the end of the day, her bones and muscles hurt. This often made her moody and hungry. Like most children, Deepa loved ice cream as well. She could not have any and she was supposed to eat healthy food. She had to live and train in a sports hostel away from home. Apart from all of this, she had to write her exams as well. Then Deepa won many gymnastic competitions that she took part in. And sadly, she did not win anything at the 2010 Commonwealth Games. But she did not stop trying. She came third at the 2014 Olympic Commonwealth Games and the 2015 Hiroshima Asian Gymnastics Championship. Then, in 2016, Deepa was ready to show her skills at the World Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. And she was going to do the Trudonova vault. That is nothing but it is a very dangerous and difficult gymnastic movement. And only 4 other women in the world had been able to do it successfully. So Deepa did it. Though she missed winning a medal by just 0.15, she did so well that people all over the world were amazed. She won important awards like the Khel Ratna and the Padma Shri Award. Then after her wonderful performance in the Olympics, Deepa won the gold medal in the FIG Artistic Gymnastics World Challenge Cup, which was held in the year 2018 in Turkey. then she continues to make India proud. Well, children, that was the lesson. So where did Deepa live? Deepa lived in Agartala. So what is her full name? Deepa Karmakar. Yes. And when did Deepa start learning gymnastics? When she was 5 years old. So what awards did Deepa win? She won the Khel Ratna and the Padma Shri award. Why was Deepa scared when she started to learn gymnastics? Yes, she was scared because it is a difficult sport, and if one is not careful, they can get hurt or injured. She loved to jump and climb the trees, and with whom she used to love to run and play? Yes, with her Pooja Didi. So children, that's all for today. Go through the lesson. Write the question answers neatly, which will be given in your next snaps. I hope you have understood clearly. Please go through my channel and please watch the videos of the grammar related. Please do subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.